Did you know poison ivy can kill you years after you've touched it, even if you never go near the plant again? Here's the terrifying truth about urushiol, the toxic oil in poison ivy. This invisible killer stays active for up to 5 years on anything it touches. Your hiking boots, camping gear, even your dog's fur become weapons waiting to strike. The oil penetrates your skin in just 10 minutes, and here's the worst part. Each exposure makes the next reaction more severe, building up like a time bomb in your immune system. But it gets deadlier. If you burn contaminated wood or clothing, the smoke becomes poison gas. Breathing it can cause your lungs to blister and swell shut. Only 10 nanograms, smaller than a grain of salt, can cause severe reactions. That microscopic amount could be hiding on your jacket right now. The solution is simple but critical. Wash everything with dish soap immediately after any outdoor activity. Your future self will thank you when you're not covered in blisters from last year's camping trip.